Welcome to Top Tech Gadgets. Today, we're taking a whirlwind tour through some of the most inventive devices on the market. Let's dive in. Lematrix Mini Drone. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Lematrix Mini Drone, shaped like a ball, opens up a world of fun. Whether you're organizing a quirky game of drone volleyball or testing your catching skills, this mini drone flies for around 10 minutes per charge and is priced $32. Telesin Smartphone Holder. Capture your adventures from a new perspective with Telesin, a neck-worn smartphone holder equipped with 16 strong neodymium magnets. Compatible with even the largest phones like the iPhone 15 Pro Max, available for $34.1. Interactive light-up t-shirt. Unleash your inner artist with a t-shirt that transforms into a glowing canvas. Using the included pen, a flashlight, or even your smartphone's flash, you can paint on its surface for about 5 minutes. Built to last 10 years and fully machine washable, this wearable art piece is available for $22. Apollo Fusee Smartphone Case. Finally, protect your smartphone in extreme conditions with the Apollo Fusee case. Combining NASA-inspired technology with military-grade protection, it extends battery life threefold, shields against drops from up to 1.80 meters, and resists water damage. All for a modest $46.20. Victupa Spotlight Flashlight. Ideal for adventurers and cave explorers, the Victupa Spotlight features a 12,000 mAh battery, multiple light modes, white, red, yellow, and blue, and an 800-meter beam that can also serve as a power source, all for $29.70. A Nope Smart Water Bottle. Stay hydrated with the Nope Smart Water Bottle. Its cap features a magnetic holder for your smartphone or tablet. It holds 680 grams of liquid, keeps beverages cold for 24 hours or warm for 12, and is available for $29.7. Device Cleaning Kit. Keep your tech spotless with a versatile cleaning kit featuring a container of cleaning fluid, a keycap remover, sponges, microfiber cloths, and even doubles as a smartphone stand. All for just $9.9. Plasma Lighter. Upgrade your camping or survival kit with this plasma lighter. Weighing only 52 grams, it's windproof, waterproof, and built for harsh conditions. All for just $12.1. Heated Plate. Warm up your beverages or even a scented candle with an 11-centimeter heated plate that has a non-stick surface and a felt bottom to prevent slipping. It's available for $8.8. Loop Lasso Nano. A fun twist on a traditional lasso, think of it as a fidget toy with a twist. Its string can accelerate to 64 kilometers per hour, and a viral video of it has racked up over 250 million views. This playful gadget comes in at approximately $39.60. Soup Scoop Measuring Spoons. Who knew measuring spoons could be revolutionary? These transparent, movable spoons with built-in measurement grooves make pouring liquids a breeze. A pair is available for approximately $22. Ring Mailbox Sensor. Never miss a delivery again with this smart mailbox sensor. It sends notifications to your phone as soon as your mailbox is opened, starts recording when it detects movement, and works in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. It even integrates with Alexa, all for $30. Makeup Mirror with Fan. Stay cool while perfecting your look with a makeup mirror that includes a 2,000 mAh battery and a built-in fan with 3 speeds. With its convenient stand and neck strap, this mirror is a steal at $9.9. Chef and Taffy Maker Set. Get creative in the kitchen with the Chef and Taffy Maker Set, designed for crafting delicious toffees and gum. Experiment with recipes from the included book in a kid-friendly setup, all for $44.5. Magnetized tool wristband. Never fumble for screws or tools again with this magnetized wristband. Equipped with 16 magnets, extra compartments for non-metal items, and even a built-in flashlight, it's an essential accessory for $16.5. Ty-Carf Cleaning Putty. Keep your car's interior pristine with Ty-Carf Cleaning Putty. Simply knead it in your hands to pick up dust, crumbs, and pet hair. Reusable and effective, this cleaning helper costs approximately $6.60. Book Reading Lamp. This sleek reading lamp attaches directly to your book, offering 3 color temperatures, 5 brightness levels, and an 80-hour runtime, perfect for on-the-go reading. All for $8.8. Multi-tool pen. Not just any pen. It's a multi-tool built into an aluminum casing that doubles as a screwdriver, level, flashlight, and more. Weighing a modest 70 grams, it's available for only $9.9. Potaroma Cat Toy. Entertain your cat with Potaroma, a toy that combines feather chasing, ball play, and butterfly catching. It activates for 5 minutes with a simple touch and can be reactivated after a cool-down period. It's a perfect distraction for $24.20. Uruk 12 Pots. Hydroponic system. Perfect for beginners, the Uruk 12 Pots hydroponic system promises harvests up to 5 times faster than soil-based gardening. Its 3 lighting modes suit vegetables, herbs, and even flowers, all for $31.90. Splish Dog Leash. Keep your furry friend hydrated and even fend off other dogs with the Splish Dog Leash, which combines a water reservoir, a drinking bowl, and a mini water gun. This clever leash is priced at $34. Nimbot D11 Mini Printer. Label your world with the Nimbot D11 Mini Printer. It prints letters, numbers, and graphics at 40 millimeters per second, connects via Bluetooth, and has a battery life of up to 2 months, all for $29.7. All-Pro Charging Device. For taxi drivers and on-the-go commuters, the All-Pro mounts to your car's headrest and offers 3 cable options: Lightning, Micro USB, and USB-C to keep devices charged safely. It's available for $31.9. KeySmart Pro. The KeySmart Pro is a high-tech key organizer that helps you find lost keys via its mobile app. Features a callback function that makes your phone ring even on silent mode and includes a bottle opener and flashlight. It holds up to 10 keys for just $24.7. Echo Aroma Soap Dispenser. Maintain hygiene effortlessly with the touchless Echo Aroma Soap Dispenser. Its sensor detects your hand within 7.6 centimeters and dispenses soap in just 0.2 seconds. With a 266 milliliter capacity designed to last 3 months, it starts at $33. Memory Foam Wrist Pads. For those long hours at the computer, these memory foam wrist pads help prevent carpal tunnel syndrome by evenly distributing pressure. A pair is available for $47.3. Chef in S'more Maker. Enjoy a taste of classic American campfire treats with the Chef in S'more Maker. It heats crackers and melts marshmallows and chocolate for the perfect s'more, and it disassembles easily for storage. Priced at $35.75. Glow Q-Send Wearable Reader. Disguised as a microphone, the Glow Q-Send is a wearable reading light so comfortable you might even nod off with it on. With auto-off features, adjustable brightness and color, and an 80-hour battery life, it's available for $24.20. 3-in-1 Melon Cutter. Slice watermelons and honeydews effortlessly with this 3-in-1 cutter set, offering unique shapes or simple cubes, all for approximately $9.90. On a Roller Fidget Toy. Reduce stress and boost focus with the Ono Roller Fidget Toy, available in silicone, plastic, or aluminum. Its sleek design fits right into any office environment, priced at $34.65. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the latest and greatest gadgets. If you enjoyed this roundup on top tech gadgets, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more innovative tech reviews. See you next time.